All right, guys. It's the next day. It looks like it did rain some. First of all, how good that front end looks. I don't know. I want to take the whole thing apart and maybe paint the interior black. Still not too sure yet. Or I'm just gonna upgrade the headlight to, like, you know, the one I'm talking about. I'll show you guys the video of it. Let me know what you guys think. So I gotta paint my front end right here black. Hey, look at that. It's damaged? Oh, okay, no, it's just dirt. For some reason, I thought it was damaged. I gotta get something out of this car. Come on, give me the keys. Where's the keys? All right, I got my keys out. Here's the keys. The keys look exactly the same since like 2000 and something. Early 2000s to like 2019 when they recently changed. So I'm thinking maybe getting the 2019, 2022 key and then setting it up to this car. My buddy does that. We'll see how it turns out. Hopefully it turns out good. The interior. I believe someone commented why the seats crack so much. That's how they made it. They made it the seats. And I guess they didn't think the car was gonna last 130,000 miles or whatever. It just rips. Just the replacement, like just the leather, not the seat, not the cushion, just the leather cover for it. I think it's like $200 or something. And then you gotta pay someone to do the installation. But I know how to do it, so I might install it myself. I might just get the actual seat and I'll make a video on how to do that. I've been working on removing this seat, so. All right, let's see. I think I gotta get this stuff up. So I'm gonna have to go. Oh, even I have this carbon fiber. That's the wall. Look at that. I know it's just busted. I gotta get a new one. Gotta fix that. Anyone know how to? Or do I have to remove the whole thing? I guess, but for the whole month of March, I will be posting content on my channel. Obviously gonna try to keep it Mercedes-Benz. At least car-related videos, because that's what I am. But yeah, I need to get this. I think this cable. I gotta return the router I have for Verizon since I'm not using it. So I gotta take it and put it in my other car real quick. And look at this seat. This seat's perfect. Oh crap, I almost dropped it. But this seat's pretty good. See, no scratches at all. It actually has no damage at all. I might have to do like a deep clean on this leather seat and make it all shiny. I think it's really nice when it's so shiny. And not even talk about the rears. The rears are like brand new. Nothing in the back. Except it's just really dirty. I just gotta obviously clean it up and make it look good. Oh yeah, look at the big old screen. It still looks new because it still got that little screen protector on it. Just wait till I get that new steering wheel. On the roof, I might have to get a new strip. At least this weather strip going all around to the back. As you can tell, it's got some stuff on it. It just looks I believe it's just the thing on top. It's just worn out. Either I take it off and wrap it, which I probably might, because that one's just gloss black. So I might take this out and do a gloss black on it. Yeah. Alright guys, so I have the router here, and then I have this I'm selling. So I'm about to sell that. And then I have the router. Alright, I'm gonna get going, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just a short video. If you guys want to see something on the Mercedes, let me know what you guys want to see. I can show you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. I have two W204s, C300s. Both of them were 4MATICs. I'm looking possibly to selling this one and getting a facelift C300, which is literally the same. It's just that it's got a facelift and the interior is a little different, but other than that, it's still the same. I guess I got closer, I guess, because my battery's still dead. I gotta save up for my new battery, then I'll be able to. It just, the battery's bad on this car. I bought it with a bad battery, so it's not like it's draining battery somewhere. Also, I don't know if you remember, but I removed all the door panels and I did sound deadening. You can feel it. You can hear it a little bit, but you can hear it a little bit sometimes. You see the cheap plastic sound, and when you close it, look how hard it sounds. Yeah, gives it that deep, you know, the deep throw whenever you. Okay, alright guys, well, I'm ending here. Hope y'all enjoyed. As always, guys, have a good one. Oh, I also want to upgrade the mirrors too.